So Team Zimbabwe, here's the truth. Someone said the problem with Varakashi is they will fight tooth and nail to protect corrupt individuals and fail to protect ZANU PF for its demise. So can they keep protecting ED, he will go down with the whole ZANU PF organization. So right now, nobody can ever turn and change this. The truth is, this man is already down. This man is already out. Change is coming to the nation of Zimbabwe. It can't be stopped. It is unstoppable. So, andizive mafungiro nemaonero angaita vamwe, but change is unstoppable. ZANU PF is sinking. Madhara aya anenge akarara so ndo ari kunzi aramba achitimirira iwayo, ndo ari kuramba achinzi ameke madecisions iwayo. It can't. These people, they protect their own interests, their own business interests. They no longer protect the interests of the people of Zimbabwe. So in my view, I don't believe kuti madhara aya achiri ne plan. I don't believe kuti vanhu ava vachiri ne plan. What do we do? Handei tinovhotera Chamisa. Handei tinoisa pana Chamisa ipapo because ZANU PF yakatora kudhara, ZANU PF yakatodona kudhara. Chamisa is the only game in town. Let us vote wisely, protect the vote, and then zvinhu zvese zvobva zvarongeka.